do I need? By Deborah Schecter. I need a table. I need a chair. I need a blanket. I need a pillow. I need a snack. That's a snack right there. I need a flashlight. Flashlight. I wonder what she's doing. I need a friend. It looks like she's built a fort and she's got her friend with her. They're having snacks together in their little fort.